Dear students, let me give a presentation on matrix organization design in this video lecture series. Matrix organization design, the idea has been generated from US space program where the American President Mr. Kennedy, he want to put he outlined his vision to put a man on the moon using this matrix organizational design in the year 1960. Later on, NASA has designed a new structure known as matrix structure in connection with the US space program suggested by Mr. Kennedy. This structure was implemented by various bigger companies like IBM, HP, Nestle, and Citibank in the year 1970 and 1980s. Definition for matrix organization. A matrix organization is defined as an organization where people have to report to more than one boss. You take a company or an organization, if a group of people are working as subordinate, they have to report to more than one boss at a time, then such a structure is called matrix structure in that organization. So we can say matrix organization structure is a mixture of projectized organization and a functional organization, and they will take the best from both the world. The knowledge, skill, and the talent of the employee will be shared between the functional department and the project management. So if a matrix structure is implemented in an organization, there will be two departments available. One is called functional department. The second one is called project management department. And the knowledge, skill, talent of the employee will be shared between both the department. That means employees will report both to functional department and the project department simultaneously. The first boss will be the functional manager. The other boss will be the project manager, to which the employees will be reporting to. Figure 1 shows the structure of matrix organization. You can see the functional activity here. This total circuit diagram connected with the functional activity, functional department. This circle shows the project department. Board of management director is available. There are 6 departments available here: research and development, sales, administration, system, IT, finance, and accounting. Each and every department connected to expert and a group of people below them. Finally, all the 6 departments are connected with the project department. So this portion is called functional department. This portion is called project department. Employees will report to the bosses of both the department. That is why the structure is called matrix organizational structure. Now let us see the role of functional structure. Functional structure connected with the functional department. The functional manager will control the structure of the functional department. People are grouped as per their area of specialization, and they will be supervised by a manager who is an expertise in the same field. Authority and the power flow downward. That means authority and the power flow from top to bottom. They tell about the character and the values of the organization. Figure 2 shows the functional structure. There is a CEO. 3 managers are available with respect to the specialization. Below each and every manager, engineer, and a group of people are shown here. This structure shows the functional structure in an organization. Projectized structure. Activities are arranged through portfolio and implemented through the project. Through the functional department, activities will be planned and arranged, but implemented through the project department. Project manager controls the project, but the authority and the power does not flow from top to bottom, it flows sideward. They are responsible for completing the project within a specified deadline and the budget. Figure 3 shows the projectized structure in an organization. CEO will be commanding the project manager 1, 2, 3, and the project manager, each project manager will be having his own team. Advantages and disadvantages of both functional management and project management. Sharing of resources become easier. There is open communication available. People are dynamic. Growth is available. Coping with respect to change. Disadvantages. There is a chance for the conflict between the project manager and the functional manager. Due to this, there will be confusion among the employee. More expensive, double effort has been taken on the efficiency of the organization. Now, how to overcome the disadvantages of this functional and the project management? There must be a balance between the project and the functional manager in order to avoid confusion and the conflict. Well-defined and a strong communication must be existing in the organization between the FM and the PM. There must be balance between the distribution of power and authority in order to avoid confusion among the employees. Roles and the responsibilities must be clearly addressed. There are three types of matrix structure available. First one, strong matrix structure. Second one, balanced matrix structure. Third one, weak matrix structure based upon the two departments, functional department and the project department. The first structure is called strong matrix structure. Under this matrix structure, the organization will have power and authority lying with the project manager when compared to the functional manager. Project manager will have a full-time role. He will have administrative faculty under him. He will be able to control the project budget totally. Functional manager will have limited role. In other words, we can say the project manager will be dominating over the functional manager. In such a case, it is called strong matrix structure. The diagram for strong matrix structure is shown in figure 4. CEO available. 4 functional managers are available. Below that, faculty are available. And the dotted line indicates the project manager control. And moreover, the black portion faculty indicates they are under the control of the project manager. Second structure called balanced matrix structure. Here, power and authority are equally shared between both the manager. Even though project manager have a full-time role, the functional manager and the project manager are equally powered to dominate the employees as well as the objectives in an organization. Both the manager controls the project equally. Weak matrix structure. The project manager will have a limited power and authority. He will have a part-time role. No administrative faculty will be allocated to him. The functional manager will be controlling the project, or in other words, we can say the functional manager will be dominating the project manager overall. The diagram for weak matrix structure is shown here. You can see the black portion faculty which comes under the control of project manager. So the project manager will be dominating over the functional manager. This structure is called weak matrix structure.